Hello everyone. So today we are going to start with the HTML. So in my first video we will talk about some theory content, or you can say that some basic introduction things related to HTML, and then second video onwards we'll start with the code and everything. So first of all, HTML is the standard markup language for the web pages. Um, with HTML you can create your own website. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It describes the structure of a web page. It consists of series of elements. HTML elements tells the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of a content such as this is heading, this is paragraph, this is link, etc. Okay, a browser does not display HTML tags but uses them to determine how to display the document. So what is HTML element? An HTML element is defined by a start tag, then some content, and then end tag. So here is the syntax for that. We write always tag in that angle brackets. Okay, this is nothing but the starting tag, then our content, and then we end the same tag with the slash. Okay, the HTML element is everything from start tag to end tag. For example, our HTML element is h1 and you want to start, then within angle bracket you have to write h1, then your content, and then closing using the forward slash. And same way paragraph, P indicates paragraph, your content, again slash, that is forward slash, and P indicates end tag. Some HTML elements have no content, like BR, break a line. These elements are called as empty elements. Empty elements do not have end tag. So we'll now see the HTML page structure. So this is all about HTML page structure, where start is HTML, then head section. Inside the head section we have a title, closing of this head section, then starting of the body section. Then we can have many HTML elements like h1, paragraph, one more paragraph, and etc. So many things. Then close of this body section, and at the end close of this HTML section. So the content inside the body section, that means this part, will be displayed in a browser. The content inside the title element, that means this one, okay, will be shown in the browser's title bar or in the page tab. So now we'll check only one simple program, very basic level program, and meaning of each and every line. So here is the small code, that angle brackets, obviously we are using HTML, that's why. Then exclamation mark, and we are writing document type is nothing but what? HTML. Then HTML start tag, then head start tag, and then title start tag. And we are giving one title which is page title, or you can write anything, welcome or whatever, login form or whatever, depends on the project. This indicates closing of title, that is this one, and this indicates closing of what? Head section. Then we started with the body section, and in which we have two things or two elements, we can say. One is h1 and second is what? P, paragraph. And our content are my first heading and my first paragraph, and this two indicates closing of h1 and closing of what? Paragraph. And then we have to first close body section, and at the end we are going to close HTML section. Okay, so now meaning of this each and every line, that is document type or HTML or head or title or body or H1 or paragraph. So we have the meaning also. First of all, the meaning of the first line doc type HTML actually. This declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. That is the meaning of the first line. The second one is the HTML element is the root element of HTML page. Then the next is the head. So the head element contains meta information about what? HTML page. Then we have a title that is also one more element. So the title element specify a title for the HTML page. Then we have a body section or body element which defines documents body, and it is a container for all the visible contents such as headings, paragraph, images, hyperlinks, tables, list, etc. In our previous program, it was like we have used H1 and paragraph. So H1 indicates, it defines large heading, and P indicates what? It defines paragraph. And likewise, we have many elements. This is just the introduction part for the HTML. In my next video, we are going to write the same program. Then obviously we are going to use Notepad as a simple editor to write the code. Okay. And in my next video, we will talk about how to write, where to write, how to save, and then how to execute the code and how to check the output. That we will check in my next video. Thank you everyone.